Ever feel like interviews are just a game of say the right thing or sink? Yeah, me too. So I tried two AI interview buddies to see if they could actually save me from awkward silences. Verve AI and Final Round AI. Stick around, I'll tell you which one actually deserves your time. Let's start with Verve AI. Think of it as a friendly, low pressure coach who just wants you to warm up. It's simple, easy to use, and gives you common interview questions with simple answers. You practice, get quick feedback, and honestly, it's perfect if you're just trying to get comfortable speaking out loud. Nothing fancy, no overwhelm. Just a straightforward way to brush up before the big day. Now, Final Round AI is like Verb AI on steroids. Well, in a professional way, it's a full on interview coach, mock interviews tailored to your role, detailed feedback that actually makes you sound confident instead of robotic, and even live guidance during interviews. It helps structure your answers, highlight your skills, and builds real confidence over time. Basically, it turns you from to heck yeah in interviews. So, bottom line, Verve AI is your easygoing, casual practice buddy. Final Round AI is deep dive, confidence boosting coach that sticks with you the whole way. If you really want to crush interviews and feel prepared, Final Round AI is the one to try. Trust me, your future self will thank you. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessory store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.